trusted by customers around the world for about 70 years. We are LG Electronics. Our strength begins with high-quality products we have designed and manufactured ourselves for generations. Behind that trust lies decades of manufacturing know-how, forged across more than 60 factories worldwide. And advanced AX and robotics technologies, recognized through Lighthouse Factory designation. That foundation is LG SmartFactory. LG SmartFactory is a true end-to-end solution built by a manufacturer for manufacturers. From site selection to design, build, stabilization, and maintenance, we support the full manufacturing lifecycle with a turnkey model. Front engineering. We start with on-site diagnostics and engineering consulting to define the right direction for your factory. Then, we use virtual factory development and simulation to estimate potential returns on investment and productivity improvements in advance. Intelligent automation. We combine physical AI and robotics to automate the entire process of production, inspection, transport, and storage, maximizing both productivity and flexibility. AX operation. We build a digital twin to visualize real-time shop floor data. We use AI-based adaptive control to automatically correct deviations and anticipate disruptions before they occur. Lifecycle services. We don't stop at deployment. With global factory build expertise and local execution teams, we support sustainable factory operations across the full lifecycle. The next era of manufacturing is here, and LG is already building it. Manufacturing is evolving into hyper-intelligent, autonomous factories that adapt and operate without human intervention. Every step of the way, LG stands as your trusted partner. LG SmartFactory.